Hello friends, I'm Katie and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about helping you become friends with the voice in your head because your thoughts shape your reality. Your thoughts have such a monumental effect on how you live your life, what you get out of life, how you experience life, and it all starts up in here with your thoughts. Our mindset, our beliefs, the way we perceive things that happen in our life greatly affect what is happening in the world around us. If you are boggled down by limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, always thinking the worst of every situation, always thinking the worst of yourself, your life is going to look monumentally different than someone that is very supportive of themselves, that's confident, that speaks highly of themselves, that feels like they can accomplish and do so much in their life. I'm an EFT practitioner and a Qigong instructor, so those are the practices I use to help you shift your way of thinking, help you release those blocks, those energy blocks that are staying stagnant in your body, that are making it hard to change and shift into a new positive direction. Together, we're going to pull you up, start to believe in yourself, and see the world start to change around you. Check out the videos below. Let me guide you through so you can start to shift your way of thinking. If you're looking to dive a bit deeper, make sure you check out my membership site, where it's a community of like-minded people. We talk, we chat, we meet monthly to have a live tutorial based on concerns that you are going through. You also get access to all of my transformational tapping series, which we work on things like money blocks, finding confidence in yourself, and much more. But check out the videos below and make sure to comment and like so I know that you guys are there and enjoying what I'm giving out. I love you all and I look forward to shifting our mindsets and our reality together.